Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. First, my little disclaimer, there's no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested right now in Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, Hashrate, KR1 and Galaxy Digital. Okay, let's jump right into it. Bitcoin is not so exciting today. It's 0%, it's at 48,700. But we can see here, we had this Sunday evening, Monday morning drop here again to 46,000. And we recovered very significantly here, 2,500 US dollars. And we're now very high again. And it looks like we're forming something like a bull flag or so. And yeah, I mean, we could break to the downside here. But if we break to the upside here, I think there's a huge room to grow here. I think everyone is waiting for tomorrow because today in the US is holiday and in Canada. So the stock exchange is closed. A lot of people are not working there. So yeah, I think everyone is waiting for tomorrow or for Wednesday. And they're waiting for some announcement of another company which says, okay, we bought another 50,000 Bitcoins or so. Maybe Apple, maybe Oracle, a lot of speculation right now. So we don't know exactly what's happening, but yeah, when these news come out, I think we will see a huge increase here. Gonna be very exciting. Ethereum plus 1% is doing good. Also Polkadot, very good right now here. I mean, they had a huge dump here and they recovered very fast, and we are now very close to the all-time high at 30 US dollars. Very nice here for Polkadot. This is also very good for KR1 here, which is up in Germany right now 3%. So this is going to be interesting where the KROEF, which is the ticker for KR1 in the US, where they are tomorrow when the US stock exchanges open again. Okay, so the most miners were not traded today. Only Argo Blockchain here in Germany plus 22%. So I mean 2.44 euro, it's more than 2.75 US dollars. So I think Argo could be tomorrow at 3 US dollars. We don't know exactly, but it looks like it's a unicorn. It's a $1 billion company right now. So I think we will see this tomorrow. Very nice. Congratulations to Argo Blockchain. They did a very good job here. Okay, so let's move on. Tomorrow is going to be more exciting, I guess. We can see also the indicators here. For example, let's go back to Bitcoin. The indicators are here. The RSI is not so high. It's at 72, so it's a little bit overbought. But we know from the last run here to 42,000, we were an RSI close to 90. So there's a lot of room to grow. Also in the MACD. So yeah, this is gonna be very interesting. Okay, so let's move on. What news do we have? Nothing special today. Here was an article in Germany which says TSMC, the most important company in the world. TSMC is the chip manufacturer in Taiwan, the biggest in the world, and I think all the mining hardware companies, they buy the chips from TSMC. And yeah, all the other industries like the computer industry, like the car industry, they all buy these chips. And so these chip manufacturers are very powerful companies right now. So let's move on. In January, Galaxy Digital told us that they will start their own mining division. They will invest in miners. They will provide financial services to miners. I think maybe they do some trading for miners or so, or they offer this. This is going to be very interesting. Maybe custody, maybe trading, selling, and all these things. Financing hardware and all this stuff. And yeah, they now start their own mining operation. They will host at the North American facility. We don't know exactly where and how much megawatts or how many petahash. But I'm speculating right now a little bit. And Northern Data, this is a German company which builds one of the biggest data centers in Texas right now. And Northern Data, they said a few weeks ago, existing Bitcoin mining customer expands contract volume by more than 200 megawatts. So, I mean, this could be Galaxy Digital. This is just speculation. I don't know exactly. I think Galaxy, maybe they had some little mining before here. That's why they say existing Bitcoin mining customer. But I feel like this could be Galaxy Digital, but because 200 megawatt is very big and Galaxy Digital is very big. And we can see that at Cryptology Asset Group, Mike Novogratz is on the advisory board. Also, Galaxy Digital is invested in the Cryptology Asset Group here, which is a Europe investment company in crypto companies. And they are invested in Northern Data. And they have a big share of Northern Data. So yeah, there's some connection between the CEO of Galaxy Digital and this is Mike Novogratz, and he always thinks big. So I don't think they will start with 5 or 10 megawatts. I think something like 200 megawatt would fit very good to Galaxy Digital. They are such a big company. They have, I think they should have right now like 20,000 Bitcoins on their balance sheet. They have a lot of Ethereum. They have investments in all these good companies. Yeah, and that's why I bought some Galaxy Digital again. Yeah, I sold a few weeks ago to buy the miners there in the dip. But now I'm back in Galaxy Digital. So it's right now 2%. So, but my goal is to increase to 5% here. Yeah, this is my portfolio right now: KR1, Hashrate, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, Hive, and Galaxy Digital. Yes, so yeah, we don't know exactly, but I like sometimes a little bit to speculate. We will see soon, I guess. Okay, what's the hash rate is doing right now? It's at 170 exahash, so it's rising here. So this is the 1 year. We can see now rising hash rate, but not crazy, which is good for our miners. We can see a mining profitability for Bitcoin at 32 cents per day per terahash, which is very, very good. And Ethereum still very high at 12.5 cents per day per megahash. Very high fees here still in Ethereum. I think that's why Polkadot and Cardano and all these other Web 3.0 platforms are rising right now like crazy, because Ethereum has still the scaling problems, the scaling issues. Yeah, they have these huge transaction fees because of the missing scaling features, and yeah, that's why these new projects, Web 3.0 projects like Polkadot, they're gaining much more attention because they're a lot more scalable. Maybe not that decentralized, but a lot more scalable. Okay, I want to show you something else, because today there are no big news here for mining stocks, for example. So yeah, this is the German electricity production here and the prices. So this is the overall production here. So it's at like yeah, it's like 60 gigawatts or something like this. So 60,000 megawatts here. And this green blue thing here, this is the renewables. So we have a lot of renewables right now in the electricity grid. So by the way, this is 1 week here, so we can see every day. At night we have more wind here. So this is wind and solar here, and these are the conventionals like coal, like gas, and so on. So what we can see here is that we had a lot of renewables, like 60% or so, 60-70% in the grid. And yeah, all these conventional power plants, they had to shut down here. We only a few could remain, like the hydros or the nuclear power plants, which were difficult to shut down. And we can see the red line here and the blue line. This is the price, and the price was negative here at that time, and this was a long period of time. This was from February 2nd until yeah, it was 10 hours or so in 1 day. So with negative electricity price. So at that time, it would be a lot better for the utilities to do something else with the electricity there from the renewables. So I think they are going to start mining Bitcoin. I know that they already mined Bitcoin since 3 years, but I think they will all increase their mining operation. They will not tell us, but yeah, I mean, it makes sense. If you can't sell your electricity because there's too much in the grid, you should do something else with the electricity. So when the people are complaining about, oh, Bitcoin does consume too much energy, I mean, think about this. They don't know how to go with this electricity. I mean, they have to shut down sometimes the wind turbines because there's too much electricity in the grid, and always the consumption and the production has to be always in balance. This is very important to understand. So, I mean, it makes no sense to build a coal-fired power plant to mine Bitcoin. Yes, that's true. But it makes sense to use this electricity here to support the renewables, and when you have too much electricity, you can mine Bitcoin with this. I think this is a very good use case, and I think a lot of companies will do this soon. Okay, so guys, I think that's it for today. Nothing special. I think tomorrow is gonna be more exciting. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.